I just love this banana queue right here. This is it right here. What she does is takes the banana and actually fries it back there. So we actually fried the banana in this right there. And this is the banana queue. So let me get 4 of them from you. I'll take 4 of these banana queues. And this is Caron. I'll take 4. Yep.
100.
Okay. Make it 5.
125.
Here we go. Thank you. Oh, you can keep here.
Thank you.
Yeah, very much. So this is the banana queue. It's really cool. And they actually make them. She actually fries them right in there. Saba.
Yeah.
But you fry the banana queue in there too, right? And you mix this with brown sugar.
Light sugar.
Light sugar.
Yeah.
Very good. And this is the turon.
Sure.
All right. Salamat. Been looking for these for a while, and I finally found it. Hey. So I'm kind of walking down this bustling market, having my banana queue at the same time.